Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can take a screenshot in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. The first method is use the button method, which is this power button and volume down button together to take a screenshot. So let me show you. And the second method is quick panel method. To do that, you need to swipe it down and tap on this icon. From here, tap on edit. Now here you can see take a screenshot button available. Just tap on it and click on done. Then here you will see take a screenshot button will appear, and if you take a screenshot frequently, it will help you to take a screenshot from one hand like this. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like and do consider subscribing, and I will see you next video.